Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to appeal Instagram ads marked as sensitive content. If you have posted any sort of image or reel and then you promoted it, but it got banned or removed due to this violation, which is sensitive content, and now you want to appeal against it, so you want it to be back or maybe unbanned. So I'll show you how you can do it. So first you have to simply click onto the Instagram app and the app will get open. Then you will be onto its home page. Now you have to click onto your profile icon from the down options. Once you click onto it, you will be into your profile. And once you get there, you have to click on the three lines from the top right corner and you will be into settings and activity. There you will find a lot of option. Every option here has its own purpose that it performs. You have to scroll down and click onto this option, which is help, and after that click on last option, support request. Once you tap onto it, then you will get these options. Click onto the third one, which is violations. There you will have the violation for sensitive content, and along with that there will be an option called appeal that you have to click onto it and submit your appeal. In appeal you can explain everything you want to, like you didn't do it on purpose, or maybe there's nothing sensitive content, it was just anything like a glitch that is making it any sort of sensitive, or maybe you have added nothing wrong in that post or maybe reel, so why it should have removed, it shouldn't be removed, or anything that you would like to add along with your explanation, you can do it and submit. And after that it will be on to the Instagram team. They may approve it or reject it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed, then make sure to do it. For more informative videos and updates, leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.